Okay, let's have a look at the metric vernier scale. On the bottom of this particular vernier we see the metric scale. So we have the main scale and we have the vernier scale. This one has a discrimination of 0.02 millimeters. On the main scale we have 0 millimeters, 10 millimeters, 20 millimeters, and so on. So in other words, each 10th graduation is marked at 10 millimeters, making each graduation on the main scale 1 millimeter. What we need to do is we need to follow the main scale down until we see the 0 on the vernier scale or the movable scale. In this case, it's just slightly past the 29 millimeters, but not quite to the 30 millimeter mark. So we can say that on the main scale we have a reading of 29 millimeters. Now we're going to move our eyes down the vernier scale until we find a line that lines up with the main scale. Each one of these graduations that are numbered is 0.1 millimeters. So 0.1, 0.2. You can see it is slightly past the 0.6 millimeter mark. In fact, I would say it is one graduation past the 0.6 millimeter mark. Each graduation again is 0.02 millimeters. So I would say the size of this measurement is actually 29.62 millimeters. Again, we want to make sure the measuring faces are clean. Close them tight to check for accuracy. When you take the size of the part, make sure you lock the lock nut before we attempt a reading on it. Again, this is the metric scale on the Vernier Caliper. The size is 29.62 millimeters.